Welcome everyone, welcome to the Glory Pip Academy. Today we are going to do our second session on Forex beginner course. So let's get started. So we have major trading sessions when the market moves because Forex is open 24 hours. Trading happens in sessions based on global time zones. We have Sydney session, Tokyo session, Hong Kong session, and Frankfurt Europe session, London session, and also New York session. Let's talk about major currencies in Forex market. Okay, we have USD, US dollar, and Euro, and also Japanese yen, and also we have British pound, and also we have Swiss franc, and also Australian dollar, and also New Zealand dollar. So, how to read a Forex code? Forex codes show how one currency is worth in terms of another currency. For example, Euro USD. Let's say Euro USD is equal to 1.1404. Euro is the base currency and USD is the code currency, which means 1 euro is equal to 1.1404 US dollars. You are either buying base and selling the code or vice versa. Next, let's talk about PIP. What is a PIP? What is a PIP in Forex? In Forex trading, you will hear the word PIP a lot. It's one of the most important concepts to understand because it's how we measure movements and calculate profit or loss. What does PIP stands for? PIP means percentage in point, or sometimes price interest in point. It's the smallest price movement that most major currency pairs can make. So, how do you see it? Most Forex pairs are quoted to 4 decimal places. That means 4 digit after decimal is the PIP. For an example, let's say GBP USD is equal to 1.6339. If the price moves to 1.6340, that's a 1 pip increase. If it drops to 1.6339, that's a 10 pip decrease. So even a tiny number can mean something important in Forex. So let's talk about a leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger trade with a smaller deposit. In Forex, leverage can be high as 1 to 100, 1 to 500, or even 1 to 1000, depending on your broker. Leverage allows you to control a large trading position with a relatively smaller amount of your money. In simple words, it's like borrowing money from your broker to increase your trading power. How it works? A simple example, let's say you want to trade $10,000 worth of Euro USD. But instead of needing the full $10,000 in your account, your broker gives you 1 to 100 leverage. That means you only need $100 to open that $10,000 trade. The rest is borrowed from the broker. Let's talk about leverage ratios. What does it mean? Let's say 1 to 50. 1 to 50 is equals, let's say $100 controls $5,000. 1 to 100, $100 controls $10,000. 1 to 500, $100 controls $50,000. 1 to 1,000, $100 controls $100,000. The higher the leverage, the more market exposure you have, but the greater the risk too. So, Why traders love leverage? So this is why leverage gives you the power to trade with a small capital and earn bigger profits from a smaller price moves. Take advantage of multiple opportunities at once. As an example, let's say you have $100 to open a $10,000 version with the 1 to 100 leverage. If the price moves 20 pips in your favor and each pip is worth $1, you make $20. That's 20% return on your $100 margin. So, meantime, we talk about these profits, large returns. So, why leverage can be risky? What is the other side? Just as profits as multiplied, losses are too. As an example, if the market goes against you by 20 pips, you also lose $20. A bigger movement against you could wipe out your entire $100 margin, especially with high leverage like 1 to 500 or 1 to 1000. Our advice is to always combine leverage with proper risk management strategy and solid trading plan and stop loss orders. Also, most importantly, discipline. Okay, so then let's talk about what is contract size, or what traders commonly refer to as lot size. In Forex, lot size simply means how big your trade is, how many units of currency you are buying or selling. Okay, so types of lot sizes. There are three common types of lot sizes that you will use in trading. Standard lot equal to 100,000 units of base currency, and mini lot 10,000 units, and micro lots 1,000 units. The base currency is the first currency in pair. So in Euro USD, if you open one standard lot, you are trading 100,000 euro worth of euro against the US dollar. Why lot size matters? Your lot size directly affect how much profit or loss you make per pip, even from same price movements. So how do you choose the right lot size? It depends on your account balance and, as I mentioned before, your risk tolerance, also the leverage you're using and the stop loss and trade setup. So let's talk about bid and ask price, also spread and profit. The bid price is the price at which you can sell a currency pair. It's also the price market or broker is willing to pay you if you are selling. What is the ask price? The ask price is the price at which you can buy the currency pair. It's the price the market or the broker is asking from you to make a purchase. And what is the spread? The spread is the difference between bid and ask price. It's usually measured in pips and it represents the broker's fees or commission in the trade. Think of it like a difference between wholesale and retail price. The broker earns the gap. Let's take a simple example. So you can open your platform and let's say you can see Euro USD is like this 1.1402 and 1.1404. Bid price, let's say 1.1404. Ask price is 1.1404. So the spread is the difference between these two prices, which is 0.0002, which means 2 pips. So spread is always depending on the currency pair. and time of the day and the type of trading account you have. Mid pairs like Euro USD usually have very tight spreads, while exotic pairs can be wider. Let's be honest, most ways of making money take a longer time. Saving your salary, waiting for a promotion, it can feel slow, but Forex give you a different option. It's one of the few ways where if you learn the skill properly, you can start seeing result in a shorter period of time, sometimes in days or even hours. You don't need a big investment, you just need the right support. And that's what we give at Global People Academy. So, if you are looking for a faster way to grow your income and take control of your future, this is your chance. Let's get started together.